Hi everybody, and this is an introductory video into triangles and how to recognize what those triangles are, because sometimes it's all different shapes and what does it mean. This video is going to show you how to identify what those four basic triangles are and the names. Nice and short, nice and easy, but it's really going to help. So let's get into this basic introduction of triangles, and we're going to have a look at a way of remembering the four basic triangles and, importantly, the method to show you how to identify what that triangle is. It's really easy. You're going to really enjoy the video and you're going to have all the knowledge that you need about the basic triangles and their sides and their angles. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to put up is, why have I spread this word out like this? But it spells raise. How's this going to help me? Well, RA stands for right angle, I stands for isosceles, S is for scalene, and E is for equilateral. And I know some of these words can be a bit difficult to say, but with practice you'll be okay. How do I get raised from that? Well, RA, right angle, I for isosceles, S for scalene, and E for equilateral. Let's have a look at what these triangles look like. So here they are, and I'm absolutely sure that you've seen some of these triangles before, but how do I know? What's the method for working out what these triangles are? Well, the first thing is that if I see a square in the corner of a triangle, then what that means to me is that that indicates that it's a 90-degree angle, and only right angle triangles have a 90-degree angle. For isosceles, if the two bottom angles are the same, sometimes called the base angles, and I've got two little lines on here, or I've got information to show that these two long sides are the same length, then I've got two angles the same and two sides the same. That means it's isosceles. Scalene is nice and easy because none of the angles are the same and no sides are the same. But for the equilateral, all of the angles are the same and all of the sides the same. And if you'd watched my previous video, you would know that if all the angles are the same and all the sides are the same, that means that the equilateral triangle is a regular shape. Hey, if you need to, just go back and look at my polygons and regular and irregular shapes video. You'll learn all about it. Okay, that's it. It's a regular shape. There's nothing more that we need to do. I hope that's been of some use to you.